Okay, let us add 3 columns, units, tens and hundreds, with the carry over 1 column. So our first sum is 2 plus 8, and that's 10. So we're going to write the 0, carry the 1. Our next column is our tens column. We're going to have 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 0 is still 9. We write the 9. So do you see we added our carry in over there? Then our last column on that sum is our hundreds column. 7 plus 2 is 9. And there was nothing else to add in there. Okay, let's look at the next sum. Doing our units first. 9 plus 3 is 12. So we're going to write the 2. We're going to carry the 1 to the next column. Then we're going to do our tens column. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Right, now the hundreds column. 6 plus 3 is 9. So what we managed to do was to carry from the units to the tens in these examples. Now, what I want you to do is to press pause and then to do these sums on paper nearby. Try and get them correct with your carry over to your tens column. And when you're finished, you come press play, and then you can look at the solutions, which I will do with you. Okay, so I'm assuming you've done your work. And let us see if you got it right. 7 plus 3 is 10. So we write the 0, we carry the 1. Then it's our tens column. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. Now our hundreds column. 2 plus 5 is 7. 770. Next one, starting with units. 9 plus 2 is 11. We write 1. We carry 1 to the tens column. Tens column next. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Hundreds column next. 6 plus 2 is 8. Answer 881. Okay. Right, we're starting with units again. 5 plus 5 is 10. We write the 0, we carry the 1. Tens column next. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Okay, hundreds column next. 7 plus 2 is 9. 990. Last one, starting with units. 5 plus 6 is 11. So we write 1, we carry 1. Tens column next. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Hundreds column next. 3 plus 4 is 7. 791. Okay, I hope you got those right. Now I just want to show you how to carry over 2 columns. So in our first example, we carried over 1 column when I showed you on the first screen. We wrote the 10 as a 0 and a 1 onto that column, and then we added them all in together. Yeah, we wrote the 12 as a 2 and a 1 on that column and added them all together. But what happens if you're going to carry, sorry about my pen falling there, from this column onto this column as well? Let's have a look at that. It's just as easy, so don't even worry about it. Let's look at this sum down here. We're starting with units as usual. 7 plus 5 is 12. So we write the 2, we carry the 1. Tens column. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 6 is 13. We write the 3, we carry the 1 to the next column. And then our hundreds has now got this one extra in. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 3 is 12. See how easy that was? Okay, let's look at the last one here on the screen, and then we'll go do some practice. We're going to start with our units. 9 plus 9 is 18, so we're going to write the 8, carry the 1 to the tens column. Now let's do the tens column. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 8 is 18 again. So we write an 8, carry a 1 to the next column, which is the hundreds column. Now we're going to do our hundreds. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 6 is 12. 1,288. Do you see how easy that is? Really not a problem. Right, so these are the ones you're going to write down. You're going to press pause, you're going to write these down, and then when you finish solving them, you're going to come back and check the answers with me. Okay, so see you just now when you finish doing them. Okay, so I assume that you've done them. Let us go through the answers together. Let's start with the first one. 5 plus 5 is 10. We write the 0. We carry a 1 to the tens column. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 is also 10. So we're going to write a 0, carry a 1 to the hundreds column. Okay, 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 is 11. We write the full 11 in the front there. Okay, let's look at the next one. 4 plus 7 is 11, so we write a 1, we carry a 1. Then our tens column. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is 10, so we write a 0, we carry a 1. Now our hundreds column. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 is 11. Okay, there's your answer for that one. Let's look at the next one, starting with units. 3 plus 9 is 12, so we write the 2, we carry a 1. Let's do our tens next. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 6 is 11, so we write a 1, carry a 1. Now, our hundreds column, 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 6 is 13. Okay, last one. Hope you got them right so far. 6 plus 7 is 13, so we write the 3, we carry a 1. Tens column. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 5 is 11. Write the 1, carry the 1. Hundreds column. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 9 is equal to 14. Right, how did you do with those? I hope you got them right. You're building your addition skills very nicely. Well done.